Guys, I'm going to put bearings in, and I bought some of these bearings here, which is 3 millimeters inside diameter, and we've got 3.1, which is, so it doesn't fit. I'm going to try odds and ends. I'm not sure if I can actually make this work. Let's have a go. I'm going to drill holes. I'm not sure. I think I'll just do it right through, and one bearing will go on this side, one bearing will go there, so the fly will go on this side. So I'll drill this hole to try it out with the bearing. Bearing fits in nicely, but it's a bit loose, I'm afraid. It's the best I'm going to do. So what I have to do is super glue it a bit so it stays there. So I'm going to drill this right through. I'm going to use small drill first and then work my way up, and then the bearings will go on either side. between this and that there. So I did one here. Unfortunately my measurements weren't right, so I'm going to do another one. I can use this for this side or some other thing. But yeah, making it out of aluminium, which is this one here. I'm going to use the cutter to cut it. So what I've done here is I put this in there, and then this obviously moves around okay, really, doing that, because I was worried about that, whether it actually came down properly or not, but it's working okay, so that's fine. Then I've drilled this piston here with this going right there. Now what I'm going to do now is lift this up to the highest it can go, and then mark this, which I have done, mark this thing which I've done right there. So about there I got to drill a hole. So that's how big this will be in theory. We'll see, that's as big as it's going to be. So we'll see how it goes. Okay guys, so I've done that, and just to test it, there you go, working fine. So basically I was trying to see if this is down, this doesn't come out of here, and this is up, this doesn't go all the way down. In other words, there's a little bit of space there. So if I take this off here, see, it falls down that far, so that's good. So that's it. So I'm going to cut this piece off here to the size, and that's that one done.